When I said we're going to be seeing speakers from all over the world, that's exactly what I meant. Our next speaker is coming from Japan, and his topic will be the next standard remote orthodontic treatment with 4 premolar extraction. それでは岡野先生をご紹介いたします。Shuichiro Okano.
This is a clean check. I'll show you clean check. This is the right side. Please take a look. You can see cluster elastics from upper canine to lower first molar, and attachment of the upper canine. Lower is no attachment. This is left side, almost the same as the right side. Here we go. I have to talk about modified frog staging. I think everyone always knows frog stays. Frog staging is a method of which the canine and 4 incisor retraction is performed 3 steps, using 1/3 of the extraction space each time, like this. Yeah, this is frog pattern staging. Yeah. What I slightly modified from the original frog staging is what I call modified frog staging. In modified frog staging, the canine are first retracted to half of the extraction space. Then the 4th incisor are moved to the position canine. After that, retraction is performed with all 6 anterior teeth, like this, within 4 premolar extraction cases. Yeah. Back to the case. This is the initial photo. After 10 months, the patient finished 16 stages. The lower progress, which had attachment, is good, but the lower shows a slightly bowing effect is more, you can see. I had additional liners for detailing. 12.5 months after the start of treatment. Yep. This is the final photo. All of these goals have been achieved. Yep. Sorry. This is a panel. Root fouling is good. This is initial profile. This is final profile. Profile is improved. The lip protrusion has improved. This is initial, This is initial smile line. This is final smile line.